Hello everyone, you are watching as for Shamsi YouTube channel. GE mini split air conditioner error codes. Error code EP meaning main compressor sensor malfunction. Solution: replace the compressor sensor. Error code E0 meaning E4 parameter errors. E1 communication error between indoor unit and outdoor unit. Solution: restart the unit to fix the error. Error code E2 meaning signal error. Solution: restart the unit to fix the error. Error code E3 meaning indoor fan speed malfunction. Solution: check fan motor and fan blades for damage. Replace any faulty components as needed. Error code E5 meaning open a short circuit of outdoor temperature sensor. Solution: unplug the unit and call technician electrician. Error code E6 meaning open or short circuit of room temperature sensor. Solution: unplug unit and call a technician or electrician. Error code P0 meaning inverter module protection. Error code P1 meaning over or under voltage protection. Solution: unplug unit and call a technician or electrician. Error code P2 meaning compressor temperature protection. Solution: no action, let the unit cool. Error code P3 meaning outdoor temperature too low. Solution: no action, let the unit warm up. Error code P4 meaning compressor drive error, inverters only. Solution: restart the unit.